the brick sliding pin on this caliper carrier was very difficult to remove. I think it took me about 2 hours to remove this. It's totally stuck in here. I know the WD-40, this kind of spray, is no good for the rubber, but I have to use the WD-40 because there's no way I could get this out. And what I did is that I just use a screwdriver, lift this, and get WD-40 spray into this boot, and ever getting into there. And I applied this many times where I was trying to turn this and get this out. And I tried this adjustable spanner, it didn't work. And I tried this one, the sliding water plier. You can adjust the opening of here, but it didn't work. It's even get this knot loose, so that this tool just twist to other way, so it couldn't grip this one. Another problem with this, you can see one side is smaller, one side is bigger, so it's more difficult for anything to grip on it. So this one is just parallel, and this thing is not parallel, and this can have a little bit angle, but still couldn't do it. And finally, what I did, I used this very rusty old tools, and I just put it that way. This is smaller side in, and put it that way, and tighten this, and then this turned the stuck pin. And after it turned a little bit, and then I try to turn until it can rotate, and it turned maybe 60-50 turns. And then I use this one just to turn and pull it out. So it's 2 hours on this stuck pin for me, and I have just cleaned it, get all the rust out. And here you can see the boot. So after applying D40, I think it's getting bigger, but I think it's still usable. There's no damage. I think the WD-40 a little bit effect on the rubber make the rubber swollen a bit. So try not to use that, but I have no other way. I don't think I could get this out without WD-40 get into the gaps between this pin and this hole over here. You can see it's a very deep hole. Yeah, so this is one job done. I think a 2 hours job for this brick sliding pin. That's why the caliper couldn't move, because this is stuck very solid in the caliper carrier.